my name is Awen. Today I wanted to create a algebra video, which you're going to be mind blown because I'm also going to talk about a mathematical concept called the algebraic tree. Well, I'm 8, and I suppose not even know this, but I usually learn this from books or YouTube. So let's start with addition, the most basic in the whole world concept in math. Addition. Addition is very basic. Like, imagine that you have two things, 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's very basic because it's just adding up. But then after you created two other symbols, and subtraction, the opposite. Like, imagine that you have 2 and then you take out 1, there's 2 minus 1 equals 1, And multiplication, which is like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, repeated. Multiplication is the only symbol which is actually interesting because that what it gave birth to most of the other symbols in algebra. Next is factorial, exponentiation and radicals, and as well as division. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Like if you have 2 times 2 or 2 plus 2 equals 4. So if 2 divided by 2 is 1 because you divide. Or 4 divided by 2 equals 2, because you're making it half, Exponentiation is when you do repeated multiplication, like 2 times 2 times 2. I mean, it's the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. I don't know why. But let's say 3. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There's also other concepts like temptation, extension, and pentation, which is actually addition, multiplication, exponentiation, temptation, pentation, and hextation. But these three extra, temptation, pentation, and hextation, it doesn't actually count. Next, radicals or roots, as some people call it, it's like the reverse. Like the square root of let's say 4 is the reverse of exponentiation, like 2 to the power of 2, or again 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the square root of 4 equals 2 because 4 equals 2 to the power of 2, right? So and since it's square root, that means it's a 2. So the power of 2 and the square roots cancel each other out. So then it's only 2 left. Next, from multiplication is factorial, which is not like repeat or like undo, like the opposite. Instead, it's like if you put 5 factorial, it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Understand? So now let's focus on exponentiation and factorial creations. Factorial created the other functions from pentation. Not pentation. What's the name again? Wait for a second. Permutations. I forgot the name of the bit. Sorry. Please don't delete the video. The other permutations, which are Pxy and Cxy. Pxy is like 5, like P of 5 and 3, like 5 here, P here, and 3 here, is 5 times 4 times 3. But C, X and Y, is like P, X and Y divided by R factorial, which is like the reverse of P, X, Y. Understand me? So the final concept from exponentiation, which is logarithm, which contains the symbols log and ln. Ln is like the reverse of log, because like you need log A and log B, I think, to get ln C or A. I think log A, ln A. I think it's yeah. I get confused. I learned this after a few months ago, so I forgot a bit. But logarithm for the symbol of log, like imagine if you have log 10, which is the normal log symbol, which sometimes they just put log, no 10, on any number. Let's say 100. There's 2 zeros, right? 100 or 10 to the power of 3. Actually, no, 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 2, because 10 times 10 is 100, because there's a trick there. If you put 10 times 10 times 10 or 100, you just put the zeros behind. So because of that, if you put the log of 100, it will equal 2, because there's only 2 zeros. But log 2, like if we say 2 to the power of 10 equals 1024. But if you put log 2 of 1024, you'll equal to 10, because you need 2 to the power of 10 to get 1024. Understand what I'm saying? Yeah, if you don't know this, search about this in YouTube or search about these concepts. I'll tell you the lists. If addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yeah, actually some people don't know even addition or subtraction, which is weird. So, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, radicals, factorial, permutations, which say for permutations, logarithm, and yeah, I will explain one more time. There are also mythic symbols, plus, minus, times, division, permutations, exponentiation, and radicals, logarithm. Understand? So those are the subjects that we talked about this algebra tree and how they work. I wish I could talk about trigonometry or others, but I don't know much of them, only algebra. So, and also equations, just like a small part of equations, just a small part. As a point is something like x squared equals, let's say, 1000, like, let's say, 100. You have to figure out what x is, because it's a mysterious number you don't know. Like, if it was a normal number, that's why it's going to appear like the answer if it was like not an equation, because you need to know, because that will give you hints to see what number is x. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this, press the like button, and if you really liked it or if you loved it and you need it a lot, subscribe. That's it. Bye.